Is your business truly connecting with customers where they live, work, and play? In today's world, that's online. Ignoring digital marketing isn't an option. It's the fundamental requirement for survival and growth. Digital marketing uses the internet and digital technologies to promote products and services. It includes websites, search engines, email, social media, and more. The goal is to meet customers where they spend significant time online. This approach differs from traditional marketing's one-way broadcast. Digital marketing creates a dialogue, building authentic relationships. It pulls audiences in rather than merely pushing messages out. Crucially, digital marketing is highly measurable. You can track clicks, views, and conversions in real time. This allows for data-driven decisions, providing clear proof of ROI, unlike traditional methods. Digital marketing demolishes geographical barriers. A small local business can now reach customers globally through its online presence. This opens up vast new markets. It also offers a significantly lower cost of entry than traditional advertising. Strategies like SEO and content marketing require time and expertise, not massive capital. This levels the playing field for startups and small businesses. The ability to track performance is revolutionary. Marketers monitor KPIs to see exactly what works. This data loop enables continuous optimization and quantifiable ROI. Digital platforms allow hyper-targeting based on demographics, interests, and behavior. This precision creates personalized messages that dramatically increase campaign effectiveness and relevance. Digital marketing facilitates direct, two-way communication. Engaging through social media or email builds trust and community. This nurtures leads and turns buyers into loyal advocates. By creating seamless online paths, digital marketing drives higher conversion rates. It makes it easy for prospects to become customers. SEO optimizes your online presence to rank higher in search results. For websites, this means more organic traffic from Google. High rankings signal trust and improve discoverability. Content marketing creates valuable, relevant content to attract and retain an audience. It focuses on educating and solving problems, building trust and authority. This positions your brand as a thought leader. Social media marketing uses platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram to connect with audiences. The right platform depends on where your target audience spends time. It involves posting, engaging, and running targeted ads. PPC advertising pays a fee each time your ad is clicked. This includes search ads, display ads, and paid social. PPC delivers targeted traffic and leads almost instantly. Email marketing sends targeted messages to opted-in contacts. It promotes content, announces sales, and drives website traffic. Email consistently delivers high ROI by reaching an engaged audience. SMS marketing sends promotional or transactional texts directly to phones. It offers near-instant delivery and high open rates. It's powerful for time-sensitive offers and direct communication with opted-in customers. Affiliate and influencer marketing leverage third-party creators. Affiliates earn commission for sales via tracking links. Influencers endorse products to their dedicated followers, building trust through recommendations. A successful strategy integrates these channels. A single piece of content, like a digital report, can fuel multiple efforts. It can drive SEO, create social posts, build email lists, and support PPC campaigns. This integrated approach amplifies impact. Channels work together, not in isolation. This is the hallmark of modern, effective digital marketing. The digital landscape is shaped by AI and data privacy demands. AI offers unprecedented personalization and automation. Generative AI helps with content drafts and brainstorming. AI analyzes data for predictive analytics and targeting. However, human oversight is crucial for accuracy and quality. AI is a powerful assistant, not a full replacement. Parallel to AI is the push for data privacy. Regulations like GDPR and CCPA, plus the end of third-party cookies, change how data is used. Tracking users across sites is becoming harder. The focus shifts to first-party data collected directly from your audience. Zero-party data, intentionally shared by customers, is the gold standard. These are your most valuable data assets. AI and privacy must coexist. AI needs data, but privacy requires minimization. Privacy-aware AI is emerging to find insights from smaller, anonymized datasets. Future success means leveraging AI for personalization while building trust through data security and compliance. Effective digital marketing needs a documented strategy. Start by defining SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Increasing organic traffic by 20% in 6 months is a SMART goal. Identify your target audience by creating buyer personas. Research their goals, challenges, and motivations. You can't market effectively without understanding who you're talking to. Establish your budget to determine which tactics are feasible. Select channels where your audience is most active. Don't try to be everywhere at once. Focus your resources. Create and distribute high-quality content relevant to your audience's journey. Tailor content to their needs at each stage, from awareness to purchase. Launch, monitor, and iterate. Digital marketing requires continuous tracking against KPIs. Use data to optimize campaigns over time for better results. Measure what matters using KPIs. Conversion rate shows the percentage of visitors taking a desired action. Cost per acquisition, CPA, measures the cost of getting a new customer. Return on ad spend, ROAS, tracks revenue per ad dollar. Customer lifetime value, CLV, shows the total profit from one customer over time. These metrics show ROI and guide optimization. Digital marketing is no longer optional. It's essential for business growth. Start building your strategy, define your audience, and choose the right channels. Measure your results and iterate constantly. Don't get left behind in the digital age. Invest in understanding and implementing digital marketing now. Your future growth depends on it. To learn more about digital marketing, visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com.